So for participation 11, we're going to look at recurrent neural networks, including long short-term memory networks. So as normal, we have a notebook here set up for this. Um, it's broken up into four sections here. The first section just reads in the library, actually, five sections, yeah. And then we do a section on recurrent neural networks where you talk about that simple implementation of long short-term memory networks here, and when we step and make the sequences we try to generalize here into harder sequences, and finally we'll look at some sunspot data and work on that for you. So this is the notebook. So unlike earlier ones, I have some videos in each section that give you details. So I'll just give you a quick overview here of this. So initially, this work comes from another course by Jeff Heaton at Washington University in St. Louis. So his initial video is here, and so I'll add my video here. But if you want to watch his old videos, you can here. I've made a number of adjustments and corrections to his data, but that's where a lot of this initial inspiration is coming from. So again, as normal, we're bringing in our libraries, and this first thing is a bunch of information about recurrent neural networks. This is from Heaton's stuff, and understanding long short-term memory networks. And again, I want you to then to describe in your own words and answer these questions. So your first thing is just to read. You can use both the resources posted earlier in the learning resources stuff and the information here, but post some descriptions of these sorts of networks. Then we get into an actual example where we're trying to recognize a sequence, and again, there are a news video here talking about that. And there, for that task, there's another section here on harder sequences, and another task and code on that, and a video on that. And then finally, the fourth section is on sunspot data and recognizing that, and the fourth task walks you through that here. So those are the tasks, and there again, there's videos on each subtask. So hopefully you enjoy it all.